When the sun goes down, most photographers hang up their camera gear for the night. But I'm going to give you a few tips on how you can keep using your camera gear well into the night by taking some great shots of the Milky Way galaxy. You really only need 3 things to get shots of the Milky Way. You need a tripod, a digital camera that's capable of shooting at high ISO speeds like 3200, 6400, and a fast lens, f.2 or faster. You also need to know where to find the Milky Way. Usually it's in the southeast to southwest sky, depending on the time of the year. But most importantly, you need to find a dark location. Right now I'm about 20 minutes outside of a town of about 130,000 people, and even that far away, it's still affected by light pollution. So we're not going to get stellar images of the Milky Way tonight, but I want to show you what is possible. So we're going to let it get dark, and we're going to go shoot some shots of the Milky Way. Okay, it's dark enough I can see the Milky Way. I determined my shutter speed by dividing the size of my lens 24mm into 500, which gives me 20 seconds. The ISO is 3200 and my aperture is 2.8. I focused on a bright star using live view, and now all that's left is to press the shutter. Here's some more images of the Milky Way galaxy with the same exact settings but in darker skies. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll be sure to make more.